So now I'm discussing about the Twitter clicks and conversion. So when you're posting Twitter, anything in tweets, I need for clicks and conversion. Maybe our website, maybe our YouTube. I need for clicks and conversion. That is I'm setting for this option. So before that, I'm going to my website. I'm selecting with the training option. I can post some content where in my Twitter account. Now I'm checking here. So I'm posting for here. Twitter. So my content promoted by this location. I need for what is that? My website clicks. Need for my website clicks based on the Twitter post. Where I'm posting this content in my Twitter. This is generated by the my website traffic. Now going to tweet. Done is a new tweet. Where I'm going to here Twitter ads option call is website clicks and conversion. Here what's that? RTS website clicks and conversion campaign here. What's that? Daily budget. I guess daily budget is a 10. Total budget is the 50. I'm running for 5 days my campaign. Here start immediately or run continuously. My start date. When? 23. End date. Specific call. 25th. Only for 3 days. So we are specific for 3 days. Remaining 20 are left by your account. They only for 3 days. Amount will be deducted by your Twitter account. So what is the daily budget is $10. Total will be $50. Start date and end date. Now click for what option call is website clicks and conversion. Next option. So what? You're promoting only for your website first. This is a YouTube, not for YouTube here. So what is that here? One is Somajuda, one is Hyderabad. Using with the hashtag. Now two posting. Suppose I'm setting for another posting also. Anything will be website will be there. So your YouTube is there. I'm setting for YouTube also. But how many posts I'm selecting? Previous campaign selecting 2 posting. Now I'm setting for 4. Purpose of clicks, YouTube and website. Now option call is previous. They're showing only one option in the right corner. What is that? Users timeline, profile and tweet, detail page, search results, expand your reach on the Twitter audience platform. In previous awareness only they're showing for search results. Now will be 3 options. What is that? Profile and tweet detail page. Second one is search results. Third one is the expand your reach on the Twitter audience platform. Where they can search the platform will be there in audience by Twitter. We can show our ad by the page also. Now come to here. What the category will be called? Special education. Now we can add by. Only one is there, special education. Now check system market is there or not. Now I'm checking for marketing. One is the special education and marketing. What's that here? My website. Website click is mandated by the website. In a previous, I'm not adding my website URL in awareness time. But here, they're asking by your domain details. What is that? rakeshtechsolutions.com. Now click for next. Now what is that? Targeting any gender, all age. Right now I'm selecting the all age groups. Previous I'm selecting the range group. Now I'm selecting for all age. Now coming to here, location will be India. I'm selecting by Hyderabad. So yeah. It's not showing for the Hyderabad here. So, the showing location. I'm searching for Hyderabad. No. will state select by for that United States. So add here. Now how many locations right now? India and UK. Now US. So how many? 3 countries. So I'm selecting for location here. Just I'm selecting for here my audience preference keyword. Here I'm adding only one keyword is called digital marketing. 2.21 millions. Now including my followers. Now click for next thing. So I'm setting for automate bid. They not give any budget summary here. If I'm selecting for target cost per click 1.73 to 7.70 range of recommendation. Now what is that? Maximum bid 1.73 to 7.70. So we have to not schedule the proper one. So I can go with the what? Automatic bid is definitely done. So what is that? Select that. Key conversion matrix. So we can create by the key conversion matrix also. We can create by individual ads by here by keyword wise if you interest. So no related by you can go with the next step. So what is that? Review and complete. So when option selecting here for the create new, they come into here. Just click this option and create this option. What is that? Generate website tags for conversion tracking here. Each tag they showing the conversion tracking here is a final report. You can generate by like this here. So we like. So this we can click by here. We can generate by your tags if interest. Or else we can go with this option. No need to set this option. Click for next. You can review the last final step. Automate bid link clicks. Previous is awareness. Now will be link clicks. So audience. Now will be called done. This is called complete for feed post. Launch your campaign here. Your final campaign will be started here. So I'm launching the campaign here. So make a payment. Your ad will be start. It is approved or not. How to check? Before adding payment, go to option call is edit access to your account. Go to view ad manager. It will be running. The ad will be approved. It will be not running. That will be called not approved by the based on the your options. What is called here? Running. Here start date and end date. When your 25th will be done, your ad will be stopped. Now oppose the my ad here.